So do you know that you can make money now even if you are a student? With all of the available side hustles right now, it's never been easier to make money online. Well, in today's video, we are talking about different side hustles that could easily make you thousands of dollars. And the best part is, it takes absolutely zero money to get started with any of these side hustles. With a lot of these side hustles, you're actually gonna have the opportunity to make upwards of $10,000, $20,000, even over $50,000 a month if you continue your journey with it and take it more seriously. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money online as a student. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So the first side hustle that we are going to talk about is the easiest of them all, and that is being a Discord moderator. Now, there is a massive demand for a Discord moderators out there. Whether that be just people wanting to build communities on Discord, whether that be NFT projects that are launching, whatever it is, people out there who really need Discord moderators. And as a Discord moderator, you're not really most of the time doing too much technical know-how. All you're doing is making sure that there isn't junk in someone else's Discord, and the other thing is making sure that the community is very upbeat. You know, just even things like good morning messages, for example, checking with people on Discord, or posting questions to the people in the Discord community. This isn't something where you need any expert knowledge in any specific sector, but it is something where, especially if you speak good English, or for example, you could be a moderator for an Italian Discord or a French Discord, you can very easily make, upwards of $1,000, $2,000 a month, maybe even as low as $500 a month. So I will say that this isn't something where you're gonna make the big bucks, but if you're helping manage a few Discords, like let's say you manage 3 different Discords, and you can go ahead and do that all day, you can get paid for each of that Discord for maybe thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars depending on what they're offering. So let's say your appetite for income grows and you decide you basically want to make more money. As I've said, it's a pretty easy role to fulfill. You can hire people under you and you can actually start a Discord agency. Let's say for example, someone needs to manage a very large Discord and they need moderators managing 24/7, so in different time zone, and they need multiple of them. Well, you can go ahead and offer your service and you can go ahead and tell them, here's my monthly retainer, here's how much to hire my team. So let's say you're paying 3 Discord moderators per 8 hours. So that's 24 hours a day. And let's say you're paying them around $800 a month. So between the 3 of them, they are getting paid $2,400 a month. And let's go ahead and say that you sell your service for $5,000 a month. So what you can do is get the rest of that money for your own and just go ahead and pay your moderators $800 a month. So this is a very easy side hustle, especially if you're a student. You don't need even 1 cent of a dollar, and you can go ahead and start today if you just know what you're looking for. So the second side hustles that I will recommend students nowadays is actually becoming a TikTok editor or YouTube video editor, any sorts of video editing for high impact content. You'll be shocked how many big time content creators that are on YouTube that either edit their own videos or just have very sloppy video editing. You could take a lot of YouTube creators as an example. Even someone, for example, who's creating YouTube content and they're making $10,000 a month, they very easily and very happily will pay for an editor who edit their videos a month for a specific amount of money if in their perspective has a clear ROI and it saves them time. So let's go ahead and say you become a YouTube creator for someone else. Most of these YouTubers has many long form video contents, and what you can do is repurpose them. Or let's say you're not even editing for them and they don't need editor no more, you can go ahead and offer them service where you can go ahead and repurpose their videos and turn them into a very high engaging post, like for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, whatever that is. And there are so many incredible Skillshare courses out there. There's so many incredible YouTube videos out there that you can learn very basic editing. And when you learn basic editing, it's very easy to edit a TikTok video. Honestly, in the space of 1 week, you can get very proficient and very good at editing TikTok videos, or for example YouTube Shorts. That's another very powerful medium, and a lot of people are growing their channel right there. So if you can edit TikTok for people, if you can edit YouTube Shorts for people, that is an absolute super easy win. And to acquire that skill set is free and will only take you a week. So the best part of this is your customers, which is the YouTube content creators, are on their socials most of the time, or all of the time, let's say. So you can just go ahead and DM them on Instagram or even in Twitter. Or maybe you could just go ahead and leave them an email, because most of the time these YouTubers leave their emails at their YouTube video description. It's very easy to actually go ahead and pitch these people, and as I've mentioned in the previous video, you can go ahead and very easily scale this business. You can actually go ahead and hire people under you, and you can go ahead and acquire multiple clients if you have the time to do it. Now the next side hustles that we're going to talk about, it kind of has the longest tail trip, which means that you are not going to see the results of your work for a long time. But when you come see them, they're gonna actually come in pretty quickly. And that is building a YouTube channel. The most important thing when starting a YouTube channel is asking yourself, how am I going to monetize this later down the road? Now your YouTube channel might be a way to get clients for your business, whatever business that is. It might be a way for you to in future sell coaching courses, mastermind. It might be a way for you to sell subscription service. Maybe if you have a company, or maybe a bootstrap software company, and your YouTube is a way to find leads to that software company. If you want whatever it is, just start to think before you start your YouTube channel of how I am actually going to monetize this channel, not in the short term but mid to long term. You know, YouTube channel will really pay you dividends for the long run. Building a YouTube channel really is one of the biggest blessings that anyone could ever have bestowed upon them. You won't see any results for the next months or even years when it comes to YouTube creation. So especially if you have a good monetization strategy in place, you can go ahead and lessen that time. And also, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You can really just follow those similar frameworks to a lot of different YouTubers that are already out there. Just go ahead and add your own spice to it, add your own flavor, and just go ahead and do your own things that people will know you distinctly. If you're into cigars or cigarettes, or maybe if you're a tech guy, you can just go ahead and spice it up on your own term or your own content. Even if you're into geopolitics, you can just go ahead and not reinvent the wheel if you want to, and you could just go ahead and add your spice or yourself into this type of contents that already has worked for a lot of YouTubers. So with all of the side hustles that I've mentioned today, there's literally no reasons why you shouldn't be making a couple of $100 a month or even thousands a month with all of the online and with all of the side hustles, considering how much opportunities there is nowadays. Now, I've laid out only 3 side hustles in this video, but there are plenty more. Just get creative. There's so much opportunity out there when you look for it. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.